Okay, I'm going to open this blind box. It's a Rement box, and the choices are, there's a lot of cute ones. Is that a dishwashing machine, a stovetop, a fridge, a laundry, an ironing board, and a vacuum. I think these all are cute. Forget, do I know what it is? I don't even remember. Maybe I do. I don't think I do. I don't even know if I opened this. I forget. Because I ordered it from a Japan website, and we sometimes open things on lives, but I order so much stuff I don't even remember. Oh gosh, okay. Let's see what I pulled. Is there a picture of it? Oh, I got the ironing board. I didn't know I got this. Okay, that's cool. And they're all individually. See, I love Japanese packaging. Like, how cute. So let's wrap it up. Oh, it's a little tonkatsu. Okay, so this is my favorite character, tonkatsu. If you didn't know what tonkatsu is, it's like leftover fat from like tempura chicken. But yeah, I love the character. It's just so cute. Oh my gosh, I want these all. They're all adorable. Ah, the washing machine's cute too. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. So how does it work? What is that? Oh, little stickers. And then this is the ironing board. How adorable. Oh my gosh. And then the little shirt it has. To iron with the little characters on it. Like, that's so cute. And this is the iron. Oh, wait. What is that? So I like the ironing, because this is the actual iron. Maybe that's the iron holder? I don't really know. Oh yeah, it goes like that. I don't know if it really stays, but it's like a little... Look at little baby tonkatsu. This is adorable. So it's like this. It's like a little ironing. And open a little card. I'm not sure what the other stuff on it is.